Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video we're gonna talk about integers. Okay, so let's just a quick reminder of what an integer is. Okay, so integers are basically um, rational numbers. Okay, so these are numbers with no floating point numbers. Okay, they are not float numbers. So for example, there are concise numbers, I would say. So let's just create a number which represents an integer. A good example would be the year. Okay, we have numbers, for example, 2018, which is integer, and for example, 2018.6 wouldn't be an integer number, just numbers without the dot or decimal values. Okay, without decimal values. So we do that. We do year equals 2018, and if we call it, we're gonna see 2018. We don't see any quotes because this is different. And a tip for you guys to notice or to know a type of an object in Python, there's a function called type which returns a type of an object. So if I pass something to this function, this is a function. We're going to talk about a little bit more about this later. So this is a function. We can pass year, which is our object, and if we press enter, we're going to see a message or some information displayed on the screen, which is class int. Okay, this int stands for integer. Okay, so type year, which it means that this year object is a object of the type integer. If I pass some information right here, for example, let's just do what we did in the first time, which is the string hello world. I'm gonna pass this and we're gonna see what happens. As you can see here, I get the text or the message class str, which is str stands for string, and so on. Okay, guys. So I'm not gonna talk a little much about integers because the idea is pretty simple. The same things that you can do with integers, you pretty much can do with floats, which are a different type of number. But integers are special because they are used in loops and other stuff. Okay, so integers are very important for stuff like indexes and other sort of stuff that you usually do when dealing with matrices and listens and other operations. Okay, so I'm just gonna type some random stuff right here. For example, 5 plus 9, which is equal 14. As you can see, 5 times 6, which is going to be equal 30. And then you can pretty much test for yourself and see what Python can do, which can when it comes to operations. A good example about the use of integers is exponentiation. Let's exponentiate 6 by 3, and we get the result 216. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, guys, and see you in the next videos.